Okay. Put a deep conditioner in it. Okay. Leave that in for like 5 minutes and put like a.
Is it a 5-minute deep conditioner?
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, you did fine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pine like a bull.
Good morning. My hair looks like this because I'm on my way. Well, I'm not on my way to the hair salon now, but I have a hair appointment today, and I'm getting a curly cut, which required me to like not have any product in my hair. From her website instructions, light product in my hair, but I don't know if she'd be like what kind of hair I got. Like this is like light product in my hair. So, but I bought a spray bottle. I'm probably gonna like spray my hair a little bit because my appointment's not till 1. It's early in the morning now. It's 6:50 because I don't know what I had going on, but I scheduled my laser hair removal at 8 a.m. on a Sunday. Like, who am I? But it's an hour away, so I'm heading there. I'm gonna stay in town, and I'm just gonna sit and like do some editing. I have like a lot of vlog footage that I've never posted, so I'm gonna pre-edit for Vlogtober for like a couple videos. I have like house videos that I need to post. I have like my home decor videos that like I definitely need to go ahead and edit, and then I need to figure out my my hard drive as well. So I'm just gonna do those things in between time because my appointment should be over at like, if I get there at, my appointment's at 8, it should be over by like 8:40. Yeah, 8:40 is good. And then I'm just gonna hang out in the city and it's another hour drive to her salon. So I'm just gonna hang out over there in the city and maybe get something to eat. So yeah, that's that. It's a pretty long drive, so I will just check in with you guys when I get there. We will check in when I get to the location. Process is pretty simple. A lot of people say like their wash days are long. My wash days are literally like 45 minutes. My wash days are so short.
I want to be over there for all of that. You know?
I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or not, but my wash days are literally like 45 minutes. Like I wash my hair, I shampoo my hair like 2 times, put a deep conditioner in it, leave that in for like 5 minutes, and put like a.
Is it a 5-minute deep conditioner?
Yeah, it's the one that you put that hot cup, that little hot thingy that you put in the microwave.
As long as it's like a 5-minute deep conditioner.
Yeah, I use the Design Essentials ones, the ones that stay in for 20 minutes when I get under the dryer. Most of the time I don't feel like.
So which one are you using? It's like this.
Yeah.
But this is it without any product, barely. So it's like, it's not the same. It's not the same.
Well, my problem now is that like I used to have a really big round fro.
Yeah.
Over time, now my hair is like limp when I style it.
It's like what?
It's like limp. It's like it's like heavy and like way down, and I can't get it to like.
No.
I want it to be big.
Oh.
I want it to like
you're
go
having
out.
a hard time getting it.
Volume. I'm having a hard time with volume.
Okay. That's
Like I can't make it, and I'm not retaining any length.
Okay, so
for like the last year.
Okay, so you are the first client that I've had who has shrinkage like me.
Okay.
Because nobody has shrinkage to the screens, right? Started to lose my passion doing blowouts and flexurize, what the world wanted me to do.
Yeah.
It wasn't making sense. Like, how can I teach you how to grow your
Maybe
hair?
it's where you are because like I only know curl girls.
Which is crazy. I don't know, girl. I have no freaking idea.
I shaved my head in college because I was one of the only people that I knew with straight hair. I went to FAM and I went to school, and when I got there, like I was one of the only girls that I knew.
But yeah, girl. introduced the weave. Now I'm ready to bring the wigs back because I feel good about it. Like,
Yeah, I'm just
self-love and everything. Like, I feel like I'm ready to bring it back because I really was telling every single girl, like, no, we're not wearing wigs. We're not doing none of that.
This is my first year.
I was growing up with.
You got me some type of way. Ain't you still feeling this way? I do not know what to say. Yeah. But I know I should think about it. So one fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away. Yeah. But you know I'm always thinking about it. Then I realize she's right there. And I'm like, damn, this ain't fair. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning. Girl, you back like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. This shit always happen to me. Why can't we just play for keeps? Practically on my knees. But I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets. Acting all innocent, please. When I know you are thinking about it. Then you realize she's right there. And you're at home like damn, she can't compare. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning. Girl, you back like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. With your girlfriend. You can say I'm hating if you want to, but I only hate on it 'cause I want to. Say I'm tripping if you live life, but you without me ain't right. You can call me crazy 'cause I want you and I never fucking met you. Say I'm tripping and it ain't right, but you without me ain't nice. Wake up with your girlfriend. Yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning. Yeah, like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend. Yeah, 'cause I'm bored. 'Cause I'm bored. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. You got me some type of way. Ain't you still feeling this way? I do not know what to say. Yeah. But I know I should think about it. So one fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away. Yeah. But you know I'm always thinking about it. Then I realize she's right there. And I'm like, damn, this ain't fair. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning. Girl, you back like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. This shit always happen to me. Why can't we just play for keeps? Practically on my knees. But I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets. Acting all innocent, please. When I know you are thinking about it. Then you realize she's right there. And you're at home like damn, she can't compare. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning. Girl, you back like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend. Girl, you back 'cause I'm bored. With your girlfriend. You can say
right. Like my sister and her, she has 3 daughters, and like they get to experience like the fullness of my grandparents, like taking them places, like taking them for the weekend. Like my parents gonna be tired by the time I get
I'm gonna feel bad by the end. Like, y'all, I'll watch my own kids. Alright, now you're going to flip to the front, shake it out extremely hard. And stay to the front.
Do you need me to move this?
That's okay, I'll work on this side.
No, you're good. I did not mean to be so aggressive. I'm so sorry. I love having my head touched. I like it.
Well, good.
I book with you before I leave, right?
No.
No?
The rest of the year is gonna open. Just so I can see if the every 3 months vibe works. So the rest of the year is gonna be open in September, so you just book whatever you need to book.
Oh, okay.
In advance. And then I'll keep you guys updated for the New Year's. Just so I can get back on track. I just don't want to like start off. To me, it's the New Year's. Like, start off right. I don't want y'all to be confused either.
I am obsessed. Like, you're magic.
Oh, and not oil. Love your hair.
It smells so good. It smells like
it smells good.
It smells so good.
It's strong, you know.
No, it's not like it's strong, but it's like a ooh. Like if you get close enough to me, like if you my man,
right.
You know I smell good.
Yeah, girl, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna turn you this way because the lighting is 10 times better on this side. You just stay there. I'm just gonna turn you around the chair unless you want to move your camera.
Oh no, it's fine.
Okay. Come on, baby.
They've got enough of the front view. Okay, but like Do you guys see my hair? No, but do you, but listen, also, do you see what? I don't even, like, sis, quit playing with me.